After every death, I steal the enemy's aircraft. Current aircraft, Spitfire Mark 5C. I gotta say, this Spitfire is an absolute beast at literally everything. It's honestly unfair to others. Remember to fully commit in head-ons in order to assert your dominance on the enemy. Now that I've stolen the enemy's aircraft, it's time to lock in again. I don't apologize for killing bombers, guys. They're just too enticing to pass up. And maybe this is my karma. At least I get to steal another aircraft. I didn't realize it, but this plane's actually a beast at dogfighting. I'd recommend it to anyone to play.